Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. I was just about to switch these over to a larger pot or a couple of pots, and I realized that I haven't filmed in a while. So I just checked the last date where I was filming this basil, and it was 15 days ago. So that was back on March the 8th. So we are 15 days later, and I should have done one last week, but I totally forgot. But look at this. These things have like taken off. It's unbelievable the amount of growth in that 15-day period. Look at this. I mean, these things now are screaming to get out of this tiny pot. I'm just going to lift this up to show you. You can see all of the root system that's happening in here. Look at that. All those roots saying, help me, get me into a larger living room. So that's what I'm going to do. So I just wanted to get this on film before I did that. But that is very impressive. Look at that. So these right now, I have been giving them, my grow lights go on around 8 o'clock in the morning and they shut off at 11 p.m. And they're situated about 6 inches above the plants at this point. But anyway, really nice. Look at this. Coming along. Oh, they just moving them around like this, you can smell that basil. Amazing aroma. Anyway, just a really fast update. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.